Hello, this is going to be a quick video regarding the installation of a Givi tank lock ring on a 2020 BMW R1250Rs. So this is the ring attachment that is needed for BF11, which is the BF11. And this is what it looks like. Just got the 4-bolt pattern that lines up to the 4 bolts on the BMW, and I believe a lot of European bikes follow the same bolt pattern. You obviously need the tank lock ring. If you want to use the same tank lock bag on multiple bikes, then you will have to purchase this separately. That is the case in my situation, and that is the part number, the ZT480F as in Frank. So installation should be pretty straightforward. These are the bolts that come with the kit. So I'm curious to see what is the length of these original bolts. So let's take one out and have a look at it. So if you see here, the new bolt is about a centimeter or so longer. So let's see. The 4 bolts seem to line up just right. The instructions for this adapter do say that for older models or some different models that you might require to do some modification, but it doesn't look like it.
I'm not typing them to the fullest extent just yet. Just getting them just to the lip and the final typing the star pattern.
Okay, so let's see if I can open the gas cap. So turning it off. Okay. Closing it. Opening it again. Perfect. All right, let's try to install the tank bag itself. So this is a 5-liter Givi tank bag. And there you have it. The neat thing about this mounting solution is that it doesn't really require you to modify your bike. Let me show you the clearance of this tank lock ring. So obviously it stays clear of any body work. So there's no chance of it scratching up. And obviously it's super easy to take off. Those of you who are not familiar, let me show you that. Super easy to take it off. You see this red flap, you just pull it, it comes off, and you just set it on, and that's it. All right, so if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys. All right, that's it, guys. If you have any questions, drop any questions or comments in the comment section below, and see you next time. Thanks.